If you spend hours every week just reading, sorting, and tracking messages, you know how quickly your desk and your day can get buried. But your inbox does not have to be a passive dumping ground. By integrating AI, you can turn it into an active, automated engine that does the heavy lifting for you. This setup works through 3 specific mechanisms: filtering out noise based on priority, predicting and drafting your responses, and automating your send schedules. Clearing this administrative backlog provides the baseline focus required to scale your actual output. Step 1 is selecting the right engine. To get a smooth integration, you need an AI tool native to your organization's workspace. Looking at this matrix, we have 3 paths. If your team operates in Google Workspace, Gemini is your native choice. Microsoft Office users lean on Copilot Pro. And if your tasks are tied to your calendar, Shortwave connects directly to those schedules. The first active step is priority inbox filtering. The AI scans mail and automatically splits noise into a promotions column. With spam pushed aside, the system instantly identifies high-value threads and surfaces them to the top. These filtering algorithms also establish a security perimeter for your account. The AI actively scans every incoming message. As shown by this warning banner, before you click, the system identifies phishing attempts, flags harmful attachments, and alerts you to sensitive content. With automated triage running in the background, you stop acting as a manual mail sorter and become a strategic responder. Now that your incoming mail is managed, Step 2 focuses on accelerating your outbound communication using predictive drafting, specifically Smart Compose. The AI analyzes your current draft and uses pattern recognition to figure out where you are going next. In this window, as you type an opening thought, the system instantly populates the rest based on your recent scheduling context. When deploying these features, start small. Test Smart Compose on simple tasks first, and manually review all auto-completed text before hitting send. Handing off these routine replies removes the cognitive friction of typing out standard responses, preserving your mental energy for complex problem-solving. Step 3 expands our focus from immediate drafting to optimizing your outbound strategy and task management. Even a perfectly crafted email fails if it lands in a recipient's inbox when they are buried in other tasks or completely offline. To solve this, AI scheduling analyzes the recipient's past activity patterns. In this draft menu, the AI calculates the exact window when they are most likely to be engaged, securing the optimal send time. Operating alongside the scheduler are automated follow-ups, which actively monitor your sent folder to see if those messages actually receive a reply. If a response does not come through within a set window, the system nudges you with a reminder. This ensures a busy week does not cause you to drop critical leads or internal queries. Before we complete the setup, there is a mandatory final phase, locking down your security compliance. Because these tools read and process your daily communication, their permissions must strictly align with your organization's data privacy laws and internal policies. Here is your checklist for safe deployment. After confirming local laws and organizational policy, go directly into your AI tool's settings menu and manually verify all data sharing toggles. A highly automated workflow provides leverage, but it is only viable in the long term if its foundational data practices are completely secure. By executing these steps, you have successfully transitioned from a chaotic, overwhelming inbox to a systematically organized workflow. Instead of fighting the current, your system now automatically separates the junk, drafts your routine replies, and optimizes exactly when your outbound messages are sent. The same AI assistants now handling your email are also capable of data cleaning and pattern recognition, which allows you to move toward querying your broader spreadsheets for real-time insights. By automating the daily friction of basic communication, you have permanently reclaimed hours of your workweek to focus on the strategic work that drives results.